comes the Tickle Monster! Where'd he go? Here goes the Tickle Monster! Here we go. Go see Mommy.
Hey, baby guy. Is that so?
Whoa! Trying to go a little too fast. You're trying to run before you walk. There you go. Whoa! Too much.
Cody. Boo.
You're silly. Oh, a silly laugh.
There we go. Talking to Grandma and Grandpa on Skype.
Cody.
And look, here is Grandma and Grandpa on Skype.
Hi, Cody.
Want to give us another laugh, Cody? Boo!
Great Thanksgiving.
You too.
Thank you, you too.
Yeah.
Yeah? We're gonna leave on Wednesday. Can you wave goodbye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Okay,
Yeah.
love you guys.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Do you see Grandpa? There's Grandpa there. You see him? Say bye. Say bye. Bye-bye.